solve the equation x to the power of x equals x. X is a real number. This is the given equation. Since x is a real number, so either x is greater than 0, or x is equal to 0, or x is less than 0. Case 1, x is greater than 0. We take ln on both sides of the equation. Power rule for logarithms: log to the base b x to the power of n equals n log to the base b x. So we can now write x ln x equals ln x. By rearranging the equation and factorizing the left-hand side of the equation, we can now write x minus 1 ln x equals 0. So either x minus 1 equals 0, or ln x equals 0. Thus, x equals 1. Case 2, x equals 0. Since 0 to the power of 0 equals 1, or is undefined, thus x equals 0 isn't a solution of equation 1. Case 3, x is less than 0. As a function, f of x equals x to the power of x is undefined if x is less than 0. However, solving an equation has nothing to do with functions. It's really about finding some values of x such that the two sides are equal. As a term in equation 1, x to the power of x has valid real values if x is a negative integer. If x equals minus 2m, m is a positive integer, x to the power of x equals minus 2m to the power of minus 2m. Power of a product rule: a times b all to the power of m equals a to the power of m times b to the power of m. So we can now write equals minus 1 all to the power of minus 2m times 2m to the power of minus 2m, which can be written as 1 over minus 1 to the power of 2m times 1 over 2m all to the power of 2m minus 1 to the power of 2m equals 1. So we can now write equals 1 over 2m to the power of 2m, which is greater than 0. But x equals minus 2m, which is less than 0. Thus, there doesn't exist m in the set of positive integers such that x equals minus 2m is a solution of equation 1. If x equals minus 2m plus 1, m is a positive integer, x to the power of x equals minus 2m plus 1 all to the power of minus 2m plus 1, which is equal to minus 1 to the power of minus 2m plus 1 times 2m minus 1 all to the power of minus 2m plus 1, which can be written as 1 over minus 1 all to the power of 2m minus 1 times 1 over 2m minus 1 all to the power of 2m minus 1 minus 1 to the power of 2m minus 1 equals minus 1. So we can now write minus 1 over 2m minus 1 all to the power of 2m minus 1 when m equals 1, x equals minus 2m plus 1 equals minus 1. X to the power of x equals minus 1 over 2m minus 1 all to the power of 2m minus 1, which is equal to minus 1. Thus, x equals minus 1 is the solution of equation 1 when m is greater than 1, x equals minus 2m plus 1, which is less than or equal to minus 2 times 2 plus 1, which is equal to minus 3. X to the power of x equals minus 1 over 2m minus 1 all to the power of 2m minus 1, which is greater than or equal to minus 1 over 3 to the power of 3, which is equal to minus 1 over 27. Thus, there doesn't exist m in the set of positive integers, and m is greater than 1, such that x equals minus 2m plus 1 and x to the power of x equals x. Hence, x equals minus 1, 1 are the only solutions of equation 1.